1,800 and so. I'm like, yeah, I low-key don't want to play anymore today.
Yeah, maybe if I get like a 1,300 on my singles, then I'll do it. If I do it by myself, if I can get that by myself, I'll start playing it. For now, I'm not.
You should have picked up Reggie Drago from the start, not gonna lie, King. For your draft.
My draft, I should do that for my draft. Reggie Drago draft?
Yeah. I'm too fucking good. Okay, so there's bulk offense, there's hyper offense, there's balance, there's stall. Those are the big main types of builds.
Yeah.
You should look up how to build those.
Yeah, I don't want to build bulky offense.
Bulky offense? I love bulky offense, it's my like whole thing.
That was stall.
No. I know how to play stall really well because it's like a part of singles bulky offense. But
She bulk on my offense till I
win. Thank you, Getrub, for your social commentary on why bulk offense is the best.
yeah, I really bitch a video a lot because compensation.
You added a lot.
I added a lot of wisdomic words.
Yeah, you really did.
Of not even a philosopher would be on my level.
My ability range and what's it called? Gotta be my favorite thing. The role and companion. It's gotta be my favorite thing in the game.
Really?
The role companion? Yes, it teaches me how to play characters.
Shit. Oh, never
Even
mind.
like wait for a wall break, I don't know this stuff unless I can see it. So I'm not very like helpful in the game yet. I need to know for a setup leader or something. I can't know how to.
Marley.
Oh, I got you. Yeah, that's probably a little better than what I had to start learning. But then again, I also got trained by a Smogon World Champ, so... He mostly just cussed at me and then made me memorize a bunch of, like, situations that I need to remember.
Fair enough.
That was my entire coaching. And the crazy part is it worked.
What? I don't know.
Yeah, that's the crazy thing, bro. That actually fucking works.
Oh my god, I did the wrong button. I'm actually very smart.
Ooh, that was good. I'm cooked. I lost too much time missing that checkpoint.
Body press up.
Actually, I can still win this. I just gotta make the corners perfectly this.
Oh my god. You make a lot of weird noises. What did he hit me with the tomato? How did he actually... How did he aim the tomato so it didn't go up in the air? I don't understand that.
Body press, iron defense. You have a U-turn. For the way, U-turn. Real fast. No.
Yeah, sometimes you just gotta lock in, you know?
Yeah.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm not gonna give my, like, coach who taught me how to play singles, like, all the credit for how good I got. I definitely had to put in a lot of work to be as good as I was.
Yeah.
But, like, he definitely gave me, like, 75% of it. Dun, 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 dun. Should I give everyone a lap start?
Yeah.
More leap. Oh, my stomach.
Ring-a-ling-long-ding, ring-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling-long-ling, jingle, 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 jing-jong-jing.
I'm trying to set up a body press organite. What coverage should I get? I have taunt, iron, and body press. I can't think what to do.
On what? Sorry.
Fortnite.
Fortnite, I would run U-turn, roost, body press. You can also run Brightbird depending on your team's situation.
I was thinking taunt, honestly, but that might not be.
Taunt is only good if it's like your answer to Toxapex.
It's not. So,
Yeah, I would just do roost, is what I do.
Marley, stop barking.
Encore is what I want, I think.
And then you do defog as your defogger, is usually how that works.
Wait, body press.
Body press, U-turn. Well, it depends. Are you doing like a full bulk offense set, or are you doing like balance?
I want to do full offense.
Bulk offense, you just do a bunch of damage over time. That's how that works. And you just take damage while doing it. So you just run attack moves and try to like damage your opponent over time, not a setup sweep. Like you can have a setup sweeper, but you don't really necessarily want a setup sweeper on your team unless it's like one slot.
I want one setup sweeper and like rest of it. Like, yeah, attack.
I got you. Yeah, you gotta make sure they're bulky and they fit into the meta. That's more screens hyper offense than bulk offense, so yeah.
I might just hyper. I'm trying to look at what I want to do.
Like I can tell you how to use bulk offense and how to build for it. It's just a very strict guideline
I don't like
before it becomes like a different game
Okay.
completely.
Fair enough.
Like I said, it's my bread and butter. Like I can tell you about it. It's just very strict to meet the criteria. Otherwise, you want to do more like, if you're doing screens, you want to do like hyper offense screens.
Yeah, I have to do. I think I have some of
That's probably good. I like Iron Defense Zamazenta on like a bulk offense team as like my one answer if my opponent lets me like run away with it.
Fair enough.
But you should always run Crunch, Iron Defense, Body Press, and whatever the last move is, I think that's pretty open for you. You just need an answer for Goldingo. Because the Goldingo is always going to be the switch in for your Zamazenta if they have it. Yeah, Crunch is the answer for Goldingo, and if they tear it out, you can just body press with your insane, like, boosted defenses. And it doesn't matter if it's a resisted hit or not, like it's a Terra Fairy Goldingo, it's still going to do a shit ton.
So I can bring anything off that wall?
Yeah, pretty much.
I bring Protect.
Protect isn't very good in singles. You want to have something that moves the chains.
I got an 858.